Hello, friends. Do you run a small online shop? Do customers send questions at strange hours? Let's fix that fast. Today, I will show you how to add a ready-made Google Dialogflow chatbot to your website. No code, no cost, just under 3 minutes. Ready? Let's start. Step 1. Create an agent and import the free template. Open Dialogflow Essentials. Create an agent. Adjust the settings here that you need to change. Let's wait for a moment to let it complete. Now on the left, click on Pre-built Agents. Search for online shopping. Press Import and accept the terms. Done. Dialogflow copies a full shopping bot into your project. Step 2. See what you got. Let's first check intents. You already have actions to add items, remove items, check carts, track litters, handle refunds. Nice, right? Next, let's check entities. You will see app product with starter items like t-shirt, book, and laptop. These are the words your bot understands. Step 3. Add your style. In entities, let's open at product. Let's define some synonyms. For example, for t-shirt, we can add T. Let's save. Now customize the intent called product.search. Change the reply text to fit your brand. For example, let's add. Great choice. Here are our product deals. Step 4. Put it on your site. Let's click integrations and then Dialogflow Messenger. Copy the given script. Paste it into your Shopify, WooCommerce, or HTML page.
Your 24/7 helper is live.
Step 5. Test the bot. Let's test the bot now. Type hi. The bot greets you. Type where is my order? The bot asks for your email, then your order number, and it answers the status of order. That flow is built in, no extra work. Bonus ideas. Turn on fulfillment to connect real inventory. Use small talk so the bot can chat about the weather or store hours. Click train after you add new products. And that's it. In less than 3 minutes, you imported, tweaked, and launched a chatbot that works while you sleep. If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and ask any questions in the comments. Happy selling, and see you next time.